Hello, my name is Adrian Perez. I am Team Premat's lead mechanic. You may have seen me in some previous videos. I think Team Premat has opened a lot of doors for me. Being around all these cars is a dream of mine. I've always dreamed of this. It's a lot of responsibility on someone, especially someone this young. I'm only 23. Kind of always grew up around cars. My first experience with cars was at Laguna Seca. Just seeing them for the first time, hearing the sounds and smelling the fuel and the tires. From that point on, I always knew I wanted to be around cars. So today, we're gonna be working on the Mercedes. The clutch just got in today for the transmission, so we're gonna be going ahead and doing that. All right, let's get to it. Yeah, I like working on cars. Since I graduated high school, I've always been working on cars. From California to here, it's just something I love doing. You can see that a lot on my Instagram, Adrian216_. I do post a lot of stuff on there. You can see a lot of like the cars I've worked on, things I've done, lots of like first-person views. But yeah, I think cars are my passion. It's if I had any drug to pick, it'd be cars. Those are in, so I'll mark them. Well, before I started with Team Premat, I didn't know who Alex Premat was until my uncle told me to Google him, and I did, and I was like, oh, what the heck? This guy raced with Lewis Hamilton? And so the very first video I saw was them on the podium together, and I was like, wow, like this is something else. This is pretty cool. My ultimate goal is Formula One. Like I want to be on a Formula One team, and just seeing that Alex was so close to Lewis Hamilton, it was inspiring to me. It's like, oh wow, like I can get there. Simon as well, he's a genius within the cars. It's really inspirational to work alongside with him, and him treating me as an equal. Working with them, it makes me give 110% every day. It makes me want to come in. It feels, they're good guys. See you guys.